Hi everybody, Miss Guthorpe here. Today we are learning to tell quarter past and quarter to time on an analogue clock. Now when we're doing these lessons today, think about the analogue clock as like a whole pizza. And imagine as we do quarter to and quarter past that the pizza is cut into halves and then again into quarters. So there would be 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters on our clock. Let's try 2 o'clock first of all. So for o'clock, our minute hand is on the 12 and our hour hand is on the 2. 2 o'clock. We can write 2 o'clock like this or like digital time, 2.00. Let's try quarter past 2. So here we go. We're going to imagine we're moving from this part of the clock at the top to the next quarter, which is at the 3. So we're going to take our minute hand around to the 3 and our hour hand will be just almost on the 2. Quarter past 2. So now we're going to write that digitally as 2.15 and now we're going to go to the next quarter to make it 2:30 or 2:30 on the digital. So the minute hand is pointing at the 6 and the hour hand is actually pointing halfway between the 2 and the 3. So this is an easy way to remember half past. The minute hand is halfway around the clock at the 6 and the hour hand is halfway between the 2 and the 3. So we know it's 2:30. Now let's take it to the next quarter, which will make it 2:45. We move our minute hand to 9 and our hour hand is now almost on the 3. 2:45 is also written as 2:45 in digital. Now we move one more quarter up with our minute hand to the 12 and our hour hand goes exactly on the 3 for 3 o'clock. Written in digital as 3.00. Okay, let's have a practice set some more times. Let's try this one. If we have the minute hand on the 3 and the hour hand just past the 5, what time do you think it is? That's right, it's quarter past because the minute hand is on the 3. And we know it's 5:15 because it's just past the 5. So it's 5:15 or 5:15 in digital time. What about this one? Let's try the minute hand on the 9 and the hour hand just before the 2. Now we know this is 1:45, don't we? Because it's pointing to the 9 or 45 minutes and it's almost on the 2. So we know it is 1:45. It's only got another quarter of an hour to go to get to 2 o'clock. We can write that digitally as 1:45. Let's try one more. So if we go to a minute hand on the 3 and our hour hand just past the 8, we know this time it's gone a quarter away around the clock, so it's it's just past the 8, so it's 8:15 or 8:15. Okay, your turn now. Have a go at telling the times 1/4 past and 1/4. Bye for now.